about speed and velocity. I have given you examples in the topic about scalar and vectors, and you feel some problem that what is meant by speed and what is meant by velocity. Now the concept will become clear to you what is meant by speed. Speed basically is the distance covered by somebody per unit time. I have written shortly. Distance covered by somebody per unit time, that is known as speed. Like we say that this train is moving with 80 km per hour. So 80 is the magnitude and kilometer, what is kilometer? That is the distance. So 80 km per hour mean unit time. So that is the speed. So we are not mentioning the direction in that case. So that is the speed. So it means speed is a scalar quantity which no need direction. Speed does not need direction. The speedometer of our car just tells the speed, not the direction. So that's why speed is a scalar quantity, and speed is denoted by V and not bold letter, because vector quantity is represented by bold letter. Just we write V, and distance we know denoted by S, per unit time being divided by time. So this is the mathematical formula for speed. V is equal to S by T. And also we can make the unit from here. You know, distance is measured in meters and time is measured in seconds. So write S, unit of S is meter, unit of time is second, meter per second. So it means the unit of speed becomes meter per second. We can also write meter per second in this way. Both are right. Now come to the velocity. Velocity is the rate of displacement covered by the body. What is meant by rate of? Rate of means per unit time. And you know, displacement we have studied previously is a vector quantity which has magnitude and direction. So it means if we divide the displacement with time, we will get the velocity. You can also say here, in other terms, you can also define velocity: distance covered by the body per unit time in some certain direction, in some specific direction. That is also a velocity. This is another definition of velocity. But in your book, the definition is this. In your book, this definition is written: rate of displacement of somebody, rate of displacement covered by somebody is known as velocity. So clearly velocity is a vector quantity. So we will denote V, place our arrow here or make it bold, and you know, displacement is represented by D and time is small t. So this is the mathematical formula of velocity. V is equals to D by T, and D is measured again in meters because D is the distance, time in seconds, so unit become meter per second. So clearly it is the displacement. So that's why velocity is a vector quantity. So this is the topic you have to keep in mind, only the definitions. That's